It's probably not often that you'll need to write a check. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to write a check if you ever need to. Let's start from the top. First, on the upper right, you'll see a date field. Here, most typically use today's date. Though you can post-date the check, meaning use a future date, whoever you're giving the check to can still deposit the check at any time. And the bank is free to pay out funds from your account prior to that date written on the check. Next, you'll see the Pay to the Order of field. Here you will write the name of the person or the organization you're paying, also known as the payee. If you're not sure who to make the check payable to, you will need to ask whoever you're giving the check to. Next to the payee field, you'll notice a rectangular box with a $sign in front. Here you will write the full amount of your payment in numeric form. Start writing to as far left of the border as possible and fill in any leftover space with a dash. This will help prevent fraud in case someone tries to add additional digits in. Right below the payee field, you'll see a long line followed by dollars. Here you will write the full amount of your payment in word form. Writing out the amount also helps prevent confusion and fraud. You will also want to start writing as far left as possible and fill in any leftover space with a dash so no additional words can be added. The cents will be written as a fraction. So 50 cents will be written as 50 over 100. The amount you write in words will be the legal amount of your check even if there's a discrepancy between the numeric amount and word amount. Next, you'll see a signature line on the bottom right. You'll need to sign here to complete the check. Without a signature, the check is not valid. Make sure you use the same name and the same signature you have on file at your bank. On the bottom left, you'll see a memo or for line. This field is optional, but a good way to help you keep track of why you wrote the check or include information the payee will use to help process your payment. Once you have all the fields completed, your check is ready to go. Now that you're all set with the check, you'll want to make a record of the check on your check register. This will help you keep track of your payments. And of course, one last thing before you send off that check. Make sure you have the funds in your bank account to cover the purchase to avoid any hefty fees associated with a bounced check, and not to mention the potential issues of not making payment. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.